have been using BirchStreet since end of 2011, beginning of 2012.
I think the BirchStreet team is very responsive to customer requests, and they listen to the real user requirements and the needs.
We use the AP module, eProcurement, and capital projects, and some of our properties also utilize the inventory management. BirchStreet has a lot of benefits, including cost savings, the audit trail, the compliance, and the taking things to the digital level, so we're more paperless. We work with various team members over at BirchStreet, from at the top executive level down to the support level. We spend a lot of time with Kim Huff on the customer success management side, as well as with John and Andres and other team members.